Hey Skinnies, Nick here. I am cooking dinner tonight for my beautiful friend Sev. She's gonna come say hi quickly.
Am I out?
Yeah, come say hi. Why not? You pop on that side though, because this is my side.
Oh my god, okay. I'm gonna go around.
We are making the creamy chicken and bacon broccoli pasta from Dinners 4. This is Sev.
Hi.
She's my you're my famous friend.
Okay. So famous.
Yeah, so famous. But we're having, you got to stay away though now because
Okay,
I'm sick.
Sorry.
She knows I'm getting sick, so I'm like, stay away.
And yeah, I'm out. Bye.
She's out. We are having the creamy chicken, bacon and broccoli pasta for dinner tonight. And I just wanted to go live and show it off because it's incredible. Are you filming me?
Yeah.
You're so cheeky. So this is what it looks like. It's very, very yummy. It's only 442 calories a serve, which for a creamy pasta, that's very, very long calories. It's got bacon, it's got broccoli, it's got chicken. It's got everything you could ever want in a pasta, really. Then what I'm going to do is put this back a bit. What's up? Sprinkle a bit of extra bacon on top because you can never have enough bacon. And then a little bit of extra cracked pepper. This is mine, obviously, because I used my fingers and I'm sick. And then grate some extra Parmesan cheese on. Now, this recipe is so quick and easy. It's ready in under 30 minutes. You can mix it up, of course, if you think that your kids won't like broccoli, or maybe you've got some baby spinach that you want to chuck in, or you know, maybe you want to do it vegetarian. You can leave out the bacon and the chicken. Pat, I'm trying to focus, buddy. But this is it here. It's incredible. And now I get to taste test while everyone watches me. They're all so hungry.
We are starving.
Phenomenal. So, no. Pretty big serve there for me. I'll show you. I'm going to serve it up now for Pat and Lani and Sev. Bacon. Bit of extra Parmesan. Now, the Dinners 4 is coming out next Friday, or this Friday, you guys, coming. 8 p.m. South Australian time. If you are not familiar with what is in the book, just comment contents and we will send you the contents. So that's Patrick's. Here you go, Patty.
Thanks.
That's right. Now, I've got a funny story for you all.
Yeah.
The last time I cooked pasta for Sev, she was really excited. I think it was for your birthday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And I got like this fancy Italian pasta, and I made her the alla vodka. And let me tell you, I reckon probably like 30 minutes later, after finishing the sauce and everything, the pasta still wouldn't cook. How long do you reckon I cooked it for?
An hour.
I reckon I cooked it for like an hour. And this pasta, like no matter how much I would boil it, it just would not go past a very extreme al dente, I would say.
It was
So
undercooked for sure.
she was not happy, so we ordered Macca's. All right, this one's for Lani. Here you go, baby. And now, lucky last, Sev. And then I'll show you all how much is left over. And these are big serves, mind you, because everyone's starving, because I've made them wait. How was everyone's Easter? Did everyone have a good one? I feel so bad sniffing on the camera though. Alright. Pepper. And a bit of bacon for Sev. Alright, Sev.
Thank you.
Done. Now, we still have another full serve in here. Easily another full serve. So serves a good 6 large portions. at 442 calories per serve. It's good, isn't it, honey? But Sev, a bug just flew in your drink. But other than that, I don't really know what else to talk about. Book is coming out this Friday coming, 8 p.m. South Australian time. I'll hold this up so you can see what I'm talking about. It's full of family recipes like this that are very, very quick and easy to make and very yummy. So this here is in I think it's in our budget section, but I can't tell actually. This is what the photo looks like. It's very yummy. And yeah, I am gonna sign off now and go and eat my dinner, and then I'm gonna go get into bed. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you, Sev, for coming over for dinner.
Thank you.
And I love you all so much, and I'll go live tomorrow cooking something else. Bye.